Can you get skin tags on your face? Is a simple question to which there is a simple answer. Yes. But if you find one that is quite long or starting to develop, should you be worried? No. Relax. The answer is almost always no. Only very rarely indeed is there a deeper problem. Skin tags are tiny growths of skin normally found on the face, hands or feet. The tags generally hang off the skin by a thin connecting stalk. You undoubtedly dislike having that thing, but skin tags are not normally a threat to your health. Read on to find out more. Facial tags may be annoying, and more so on the face as they are likely to be seen by those you meet, but there is no need to panic. The direct cause of facial is a growth of flesh, also known as a benign tumor. However, most people are not aware of this problem and hence do not think of the underlying causes that they don't look after themselves as they should. Most dermatologists say that keeping yourself healthy through a balanced diet is the best way to avoid them. Removing skin tags including from your face. If you want to remove a skin tag at home, follow these simple guidelines. The process is simple and safe. Here is how to remove a facial skin tag without harm. A tag on the face is basically harmless. They are only formed when the skin folds and the growth are outwards. The worst thing about them though is that they can so easily be seen on the face. Very few people will see them when, as they often do, they appear on underarms, armpits, your back, or your chest, let alone on the groin area. However, you cannot just pick up your tag and remove it without the assistance of an expert. If the face skin tag becomes infected, then you may have to go for surgery. The decision to remove a skin tag should not be taken in a hurry. If you remove it in haste, you may cause permanent scarring. It would also help if you really washed your hands properly before you ever attempt to remove a tag. More on how to remove a skin tag on your face. There are many ways to remove a tag. The first way, and the most common way, is to use a thread around its base. We do recommend that in that way you remove it by cutting off its blood supply. A thread is pulled around the skin tag till it comes out of the skin. Once the supply of blood stops, it falls off almost immediately. It would help if you did not use any sharp object to pull the thread. If you do so, there is a high chance of causing infection to the skin tag. The second way is to make use of an aloe vera plant. Just take the leaf from the plant and tie it to the tag with a thread. Make sure that you do not leave any extra thread. When you tighten the thread, the aloe vera is known to go into the bloodstream in it and reduce the tag. This method is said to be as effective as the first method in terms of effectiveness. You should remember too that you should not use any sharp object to remove a facial tag. Nor should you grasp it with your fingernail. Some say that they carefully pull the skin tag with a fingernail to remove it or use a pair of cutters or clippers. Using is not advisable, as a pair of cutters or clippers are too violent in action. We say that it may tear off, especially for a facial tag, leaving a small scar when it heals. They say that there is no need to worry about the pain as it is quite mild. But, that's not the point. We do not doubt that the wound will usually heal in due course of time all by itself. Maybe on some parts of the body, a tiny scar would not concern you. But, for us, we would not risk it on our face. A dermatologist is the best expert to help you remove them. It is also advised that you take good care of your facial skin tags or bleed if they rub against clothing. It would help if you tried to make sure that they don't touch your clothes. Letting clothes rub them may make them bleed, and you may create a bigger problem. Thanks for watching. Please click like, share and subscribe to supporting our channel.